Welcome to our channel. Today we how to find lost Apple Watch with Find My Instant Fix step by step clearly. Open the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store. Ensure you are logged in with the same Apple ID linked to your Apple Watch. Tap on the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll through the list to find your Apple Watch. Once you see your Apple Watch, tap on it. The app will show you the last known location of your watch on a map. If your watch is nearby, tap on Play Sound. Listen for the pinging noise to locate your watch. If the watch is not nearby, follow the map instructions to reach the area where it was last seen. If the watch is out of battery or not connected, wait until it's powered on to track it again. You will receive a notification when it comes online. If you still can't find your watch, consider marking it as lost. This option will lock your watch so no one else can use it. You can access the lost mode from the Find My app. Provide a contact number so someone can reach you if they find it. Check your Apple Watch settings to ensure that the Find My feature is enabled in the future. This can help you locate your watch more easily next time. Stay calm and patient while you search. With these steps, you should be able to find your lost Apple Watch quickly and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.